Good morning. Myself Shalini Garg, lecturer electronics, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. This is 8th lecture on instruction set of 8085 microprocessor. आज हम इसमें CMA that is complement accumulator, complement carry flag, STC and compare instruction discuss करेंगे. The logical group of 8085 includes following instruction. All Boolean operator like AND, OR, XOR, which were covered in lecture 4, rotate instruction, which was covered in lecture 5, and the remaining logical instructions, which are compare, complement accumulator, and 2-bit manipulation instruction, that is set carry flag and complement carry flag, will be discussed today. The first instruction is complement accumulator. That means accumulator में जो भी content हैं उन्हें हमें complement करना है. It is a 1 byte instruction which requires one machine cycle, that is opcode fetch of 4T state. There is no operand, so the addressing mode is implicit addressing mode. The operand is not there. It is implied that content of accumulator are to be complemented. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर ए में 46 है तो पहले हम 46 की बाइनरी लिखें. 4 मीन्स 0100, 6 मीन्स 0110. इसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है 0 के करस्पॉन्डिंग 1, 1 के करस्पॉन्डिंग 0, 0 के करस्पॉन्डिंग 1, 0 के करस्पॉन्डिंग अगेन 1, अगेन 0 का 1, 1 का 0 बनाना है, 0 का 1, 1 का 0, 0 का 1. Convert this back to hexadecimal. 1011 corresponds to B and 1001 corresponds to 9. So after complement accumulator, A is equal to B9. The second instruction is complement carry flag. Carry flag की जो भी वैल्यू होगी उसको complement करना है. अगर 0 है तो वो 1 हो जाएगा, अगर 1 है तो 0 हो जाएगा. It is a 1 byte instruction which requires one machine cycle, that is opcode fetch of 4T state. There is no operand, so the addressing mode is implicit. अगर हम assume करें पहले से carry flag की वैल्यू 1 है, after complement carry flag will become 0. It is a bit manipulation instruction because only one bit is modified. The next instruction is STC, that is set carry flag. Irrespective of previous value of carry flag, after this instruction, carry flag will be set to 1. It is also a 1 byte instruction which requires one machine cycle of 4T state, that is opcode fetch. There is no operand. It is implied that carry flag will be set to 1. So the addressing mode is implicit. Only carry flag is modified, and this is also a bit manipulation instruction because only one bit, that is carry flag, is being modified with this instruction. Next instruction is compare R. That means compare content of R with the content of accumulator. The comparison where R stands for any register A, B, C, D, E, H or L. The comparison is performed by subtracting content of R from content of A. The result is discarded. Only flags are modified according to the result. If A is less than R, then it shows that number in A is less than number in R. So carry flag will be 1, 0 flag will be 0. If A is equal to R, then 0 flag will be 1, carry flag will be 0. If A is greater than R, then both carry flag and 0 flag will be 0. Now for example, suppose we are given A is equal to 70 and B is equal to 46. The instruction is compare B. Now by visual inspection we can see 70 is greater than 46. So carry flag should be 0 and 0 flag should be 0. However, the comparison process remains same. You have to subtract 46 from 70. सबसे पहले 46 को हम बाइनरी में लिखेंगे, 4 के करस्पॉन्डिंग 0 1 0 0, 6 के करस्पॉन्डिंग 0 1 1 0। जो नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है उसका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेंगे, 0 के करस्पॉन्डिंग 1, 1 के करस्पॉन्डिंग 0, सो इट बिकम्स 1 0 1 1 एंड 1 0 0 1। टूस कॉम्प्लीमेंट में इसमें एक ऐड करेंगे, 9 में जब हम एक ऐड करेंगे इट बिकम्स 10, दैट इज 1 0 1 0 एंड upper nibble is 1011. Add 7e to this complemented value. The addition process is shown here. The complement is BA, that is 1011 B, and A is 1010. Corresponding to 7e it is 0 111, E is 1110. Add the two numbers, 0 plus 0 is 0 with no carry, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, 3 1 are equivalent to 1 with carry 1, again 3 1 are equivalent to 1 with carry 1, 3 1 are equivalent to 1 with carry 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, again 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 0 with carry 1। कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैरी फ्लैग, यहाँ पे कैरी फ्लैग 1 है तो इसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है, दैट इज 0। दिस इज द फाइनल वैल्यू ऑफ कैरी फ्लैग। सिमिलरली कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑक्सिलरी कैरी फ्लैग, ऑक्सिलरी कैरी फ्लैग D से D4 पर जो कैरी जनरेट हुई, दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स ऑक्सिलरी कैरी फ्लैग, इसको भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है, तो ऑक्सिलरी कैरी फ्लैग की फाइनल वैल्यू इज 0। ऑल अदर फ्लैग्स आर मॉडिफाइड अकॉर्डिंग टू रिजल्ट ऑफ ऑपरेशन। The D7 bit is 0, so the sign flag is 0. The result is not 0, it is equal to 38, so 0 flag is 0. Don't care, we are assuming it to be 0. All don't care, we are assuming it to be 0. The parity flag. Count the number of ones in the result. In this case, we have 3 ones. So parity is odd and correspondingly parity flag is 0. Convert this back to hexadecimal. 40 corresponds to 0 and again 40 corresponds to 0. So value of flag register is 0. But this 38 is not stored in accumulator. The accumulator value remains 7e and B also, the content of B remains same, that is 46. The operand is in register R, so the addressing mode is register addressing mode. It is a 1 byte instruction and all flags are modified according to result of operation. The next instruction is compare M, that means compare content of memory location with the content of accumulator. The memory location M means memory location specified by HL pair. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर ए में 7e है, मेमोरी लोकेशन HL की वैल्यू अगर 2400 है और मेमोरी लोकेशन 2400 में AH है, तो हमें कंपैरिजन के लिए क्या करना है, 7e में से A7 घटाना है। यू हैव टू डिस्कार्ड द रिजल्ट, कंटेंट ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटर एंड मेमोरी लोकेशन विल रिमेन सेम, ओनली फ्लैग्स विल बी मॉडिफाइड। सब्ट्रैक्शन का प्रोसीजर सेम रहेगा, A7 को पहले बाइनरी में लिखें, फिर उसका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालें, उसमें एक ऐड करें, दैट बिकम्स टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट। नाउ ऐड 7e टू दिस नंबर। एडिशन यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है, प्रोसीजर सेम है। देन एज पर द रिजल्ट यू हैव टू मॉडिफाई द फ्लैग्स। ऑक्सिलरी कैरी को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है, दिस इज फाइनल वैल्यू ऑफ ऑक्सिलरी कैरी विच इज़ 0। कैरी फ्लैग को भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है, 0 है, इसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है, इट बिकम्स 1 एंड दिस इज फाइनल value of carry flag. You can also see E lower nibble of A is greater than lower nibble of content of memory location, that is 7. So auxiliary carry flag should be 0, which is 0 in this case. But 7 is less than A and correspondingly carry flag is 1, which shows that A is less than content of memory location. All other flags are set according to the result. Sign bit according to D7 bit. If it is 1, sign flag is 1, which in this case is 1. The result is D7, so it is not 0, so 0 flag is 0. Or don't care terms, we are assuming it to be 0. Parity, you have to count the number of ones in the result. Number of ones are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are total 6 number of ones. 6 is an even number, so parity flag is 1. Convert this back to hexadecimal. 100 corresponds to 8 and 0101 corresponds to 5. So value of flag register is 85. Addressing mode is register indirect because you have to compare the content of memory location with the content of A. Data is in M. It is a 1 byte instruction and all flags are modified according to result of operation. The next instruction is compare immediate data with the content of accumulator. The immediate data is mentioned in the instruction, so it is immediate addressing mode or instruction में I आ रहा है, which shows it is the example of immediate addressing mode. Now you have to compare this immediate data with the content of accumulator. Procedure same रहेगा, data को A में से घटाना है. Result will be discarded, content of A will remain same, only flags will be modified. For example, अगर A में 46 है और हमने इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया कंपेयर इमीडिएट 3E, तो 46 में से हम 3E को घटाएंगे. प्रोसीजर उसका सेम रहेगा. सबसे पहले 3E की बाइनरी लिखें, फिर उसका वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालें. वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट में 1 जोड़ें, इट बिकम्स 2's कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ये जो नंबर आया, अब इसमें 46 जोड़ना है. एडिशन प्रोसेस से जो रिजल्ट ऑक्सिलरी कैरी फ्लैग और कैरी फ्लैग को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना है. यहाँ पे ऑक्सिलरी कैरी फ्लैग 0 है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट करके उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 1. कैरी फ्लैग 1 है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट करके उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 0. दिस इज फाइनल वैल्यू ऑफ कैरी फ्लैग एंड ऑक्सिलरी कैरी फ्लैग. ऑक्सिलरी कैरी फ्लैग इज 1 and carry flag is 0. All other flags are calculated according to result of operation. That is D7 bit result की 0 है तो साइन फ्लैग 0 है. Result is not 0, it is equal to 08, so 0 flag is 0. सारी don't care terms हमने 0 लिए हैं. You have to count number of ones in the result. Number of 1 is only 1, so it is an odd number and correspondingly parity flag is 0. So फ्लैग रजिस्टर की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 0001 corresponds to 1 and 40 corresponds to 0. तो वैल्यू ऑफ फ्लैग रजिस्टर इज 10. द कंटेंट ऑफ एक्यूमुलेटर विल नॉट चेंज. जो ए में पहले 46 था, ए में अभी भी 46 रहेगा. एंड वी कैन सी 46 इज ग्रेटर देन CE 3E, so carry flag is 0 and 0 flag is 0 and correspondingly A is greater than 3E. So this is assignment for the student. You have to, first question is you have to explain with example difference between subtract R and compare R instruction. Second question, write all bit manipulation instructions of 8085. Third question, explain various arithmetic instructions of 8085 which we have discussed in previous lecture, and explain various logical instructions of 8085 is the next question. So this is all about the logical instruction. On next turn we will take next set of instructions. Thank you.